We're starting this vlog off at a rainy Jesse Pierce's house. What up, Mr. Jess?
The weather does not look good up here.
We're still all recovering from Baja. And yeah, today we're going to Kenny and Richards to go ride some dirt bikes. So we'll go get some breakfast. We're waiting on Mike, and then we'll start the vlog up when we're back down by Atlantic City. That's where he lives.
And it's not raining.
We have made it. The entrance to Kenny and Richards compound.
Who's on the bridge? Oh,
man. Damn, look at this Supercross track.
There they are.
That looks nuts. This place is nuts.
Oh my god.
Woo. Well, we made it. Seems like we're kind of beating the weather for the moment.
Look at this right here.
Prime time. We're not wasting any time. Let's get this unloaded. Alright, so it is like full blown coming down now. Everybody's out on the track. I just got geared up. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on. Hopefully it doesn't get too rained out like this lens is right now, and we'll get some clips. What's up, Canyon? Hey, Cat. Sack dick, dude. Oh, yes, there it is. I need to get behind Jesse to hit a couple of these. I can't get the timing right. I went to go triple, that thing almost quadded it on accident.
Yeah, Chris is the only one that quadded that thing.
Yeah.
Watch that. That was scary.
Dude, this is my first, I broke my wrist like a month ago. It's my first time back.
Don't be going full hand in hand. Whack.
No, I just tried tripling up that. Like, I thought I was just good enough. And good thing it's small though. We're out here. Here's the big bike track. I got my bike over there. I don't know how the GoPro's looking because it was raining pretty heavy before. Alright, so that's wrapping the day up here. We are absolutely soaked. We're gonna get changed and get out of here, see what the rest of the day has to offer.
Yeah, let's
It's Broski's birthday. That's right, it's Broski's birthday today.
Yeah, so let's hit a bar for him prior to hitting a bar.
On the way home.
I did it.
Well, one day I'm gonna get a clip of you falling. Yeah, I'm gonna get it one day. I promise.
That was the fastest like whip out on the camera.
Alright, vlog. We got the bike back here. Just washing her up now. Gotta get her all cleaned up for, I don't know, next time I want to ride it. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Thank you, Kenny and Richards, for letting me and Jesse come out. It was a pleasure. The track is awesome. I would definitely love to shred it again, maybe when it's not raining. And you're always welcome to come shred the Dub compound. Come check this place out. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, please remember to subscribe, and we'll catch you then. Peace.